how to prepare a castor oil pack and when to use it. The castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It's a perennial flowering plant native to the southeastern Mediterranean basin, East Africa, and India. If you think you've seen it before, you may have. It's commonly used as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks. The first documented use of the plant was in ancient Egypt. Castor seeds have been found in tombs dating back to 4000 BC, where the oil was used for a myriad of uses, from eye irritation to hair health. Today we're going to focus on the use of castor oil in the form of a castor oil pack. I first learned about them while I was studying about Edgar Cayce. He is a medical clairvoyant, also known as the Sleeping Prophet. According to EdgarCayce.com, the Cayce readings recommended castor oil packs in general, just to improve assimilations, eliminations, and circulation, especially of the lymphatic system, and in particular to break up adhesions of the lacteal gland. Mr. Cayce suggested the use of castor oil packs often for healing abnormalities in the female reproductive system. Today, castor oil is used for a myriad of ailments, but specifically within the realm of the female reproductive health, menstrual cramping, ovarian cysts, fibroids, any kind of adhesions, including blocked fallopian tubes, swollen lymph nodes, cystic breasts, constipation, abdominal and liver detoxification, and although it may not cure these issues, many people find significant relief in their symptoms. This is probably the part where I should say this information is just meant to provide an overview on how to use the castor oil packs, and please consult your doctor about any specific health concerns. So let's talk about your supplies. First, you're going to need castor oil. You can easily buy that online. You're going to need a heating pad or a hot water bottle. You're also going to need a wool flannel cloth. Some people use cotton cloth as well. The cloth I bought from Whole Foods, but you can also get it on Amazon.com. It's about 20 inches by 10 inches. Fold your cloth so that it's about 3 layers thick. Then you want to begin to saturate it with castor oil. As you can see on my video, I had been doing lots of castor oil packs, and this bottle is pretty much empty. But you want to put about twice as much as you see me putting on here. It should be saturated but not dripping. You can squeeze and press the cloth to distribute the oil. Next, you're going to put your cloth over your abdomen or on your right side if you're going to do a liver detox. There are various reasons why you may opt to put the pack on your liver, that's on your right side. Some of these reasons include digestive issues, skin problems, hormone imbalances, body odor, infertility, immune dysfunction, insomnia, anemia, sugar crashes, high cholesterol, or mood swings. By no means is this a comprehensive list, but it should give you an idea of what things to look for. Personally, I position the pack so that it covers my entire abdomen, including my liver. To secure the cloth in place, I use plastic wrap and just wrap it around. Here I wasn't very careful to make sure it wasn't touching my pants, but normally I do, and I may even cover the top of my pants with a towel to make sure that the oil doesn't get on my clothes. Next, you're going to lay down and relax with your heating pad or your hot water bottle. So how long and how often? The pack should be left on for at least 30 minutes, but it can stay on as long as overnight. Just be careful if you're using a heating pad that you turn it off. The suggested protocol is to do this 3 to 4 days in a row and then take a break. A lot of people will repeat this process over and over for many weeks or months. Edgar Cayce often recommended taking up to 2 tablespoons of olive oil at the end of each of those 3 to 4 day cycles. When you're finished, you can store your pack in a glass bottle or a plastic bag. Some people put theirs in a refrigerator, however, I've never had problems storing mine at room temperature. To clean off your skin, it's recommended that you use a solution of baking soda and water to return your skin to its natural pH. I often use alcohol as well to remove the oil from my skin. After you've used your cloth 4 to 6 times, you'll want to give it a good wash. Soak it in some hot soapy water. I use dish detergent. And then either dry it or throw it in the washing machine. One last thing before you go, I want to tell you when to avoid castor oil packs. They're contraindicated if you're pregnant, if you're on your period. Also, if you're attempting to have a baby, you want to avoid them from the time you ovulate up until the time your period comes, just in case you did get pregnant. You also want to avoid them if you're having gastrointestinal issues or if your skin is really sensitive. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video gives you the courage to do your own castor oil pack at home. If you like this video, be sure to press that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Namaste.